Many sellers avoid putting their homes on the market during the holidays, but real estate professionals know that the holiday season is a great time to sell. Lower inventory during the holidays means buyers have fewer homes to choose from, and this can create competition among buyers and lead to higher sales prices. Buyers who are seriously looking for a home at this time of the year are generally more motivated and may even be willing to pay a higher price for the right house. Keep in mind that the end of the year is a popular time for companies to transfer employees to other cities. These buyers are, for the most part, well qualified and highly motivated. Another plus is that your home will show well when it's decorated for the holidays. Decorated homes feel warm and welcoming, and buyers often make decisions based on how a home makes them feel. Less competition, more motivated buyers, your home looking at its best. It's a powerful combination that can make the holidays one of the best times for you to sell.